How much clothes do you have?
Yes. Hi guys! I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys asking me to do a closet tour, and it's just in general very curious what the closet clothing situation looks like in my house. And I haven't done one in a long time because while I do have a personal closet that looks like this inside my bedroom, I have clothes literally everywhere. You guys may have seen in my previous video that I will be moving soon, and I just thought it's a great opportunity for me to start cleaning up the clothing, categorizing them into donation piles, gifting piles, maybe selling some on my blog. If you guys are interested, I've done one in the past before, but because it's so labor intensive, you guys, I haven't been doing one for a long time, but I think I will this time. So come clean up my clothing with me. Feel free to help out, babe. You don't have to. I'm just saying. Feel free to help if you want. No pressure.
Do you need help? How many knit sweaters do you need?
I think I need all of these.
You need all these?
Yeah.
Like a gradient of
They're
beige
all
to
different.
brown. They're all so different.
Ah! Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Honestly, it's so overwhelming. Before we start, I forgot I had this one. So this is my first batch. I just threw everything in one category into here. So my criteria for deciding on which ones to keep and which ones to let go is just to remember, if I can even remember, to take a look at the item, like let's say these pants, without looking at the brand name tag, to see if I remember where I got it from. If I don't even recall getting this piece of item, then I have to say goodbye to it. And then the rule is, even if I do remember where I got the item from, if it's something that I don't tend to reach for on a more consistent basis, then it's going to say bye-bye. The third criteria when I'm deciding is just how many of the same pieces that I have. So let's say these white pants that are wide-legged and it's in a creamy color. I have a lot of these pants from many different brands, and I just think it's a lot easier to keep track of if I just get rid of a few and just stick to my absolute favorites. Skirts time. Obviously, these are my pleated khaki skirt collection. Does this have shorts? It has shorts! batch 1 done.
One eternity later.
Welcome to my closet. So this closet is where I put a lot of the clothes that I reach for on a day-to-day basis, especially on the days where I'm not filming. So you're gonna see a lot of sweats, a lot of t-shirts, basics. So we're also going to clean up this section. Turns out I have 2 of these Jenny inspired skirts, so definitely gonna be letting go of one. Check the link in the description. What do you guys think of vintage stuff like this? Super low-rise, juicy couture flares. If I put something like this up on my site for sale, would you guys be interested?
4:28 a.m.
The last time I did a closet clean out, I said that I'm not gonna do fashion in my next life. I stand by those words. I'm not gonna do fashion in my next life. I've been cleaning out all the clothes in my house for 2.5 hours now, and I'm getting so hungry. Do you guys ever feel like when you're in the middle of cleaning stuff up, it doesn't get clean, like it gets more messy before it gets clean? I don't know if that makes sense, but right now I'm at a point where I don't even know which pile is what. I think I did a really bad job.
How much clothes do you have?
Yes. It is now what feels like an eternity later, and I still have to sort out one last pile here. Before I do that, I want you guys to give me some encouragement by hitting that like button, and also let me know in the comments down below if you enjoy these type of videos. I can't believe it, guys. I'm finally done organizing all of the clothes. It's all coming back to me now after I had some food, but this pile is going to be my letting go pile. So the next step is for me to put every single one of these guys onto my blog, so you guys can go onto it, browse, and see if there's anything you like on there. I'll be popping the link in the description box down below because I will be moving very soon, so every one of these guys will be priced to sell. Also, you know, because they are from my closet, there's only one of each, so if someone buys it, that's it. There's no like second copy. The next time I talk to you guys will probably be in a new house, which I'm so excited about. Let me know in the comments down below if you want a proper house tour. I don't have any furniture in there yet. It's just going to be me and my family and a bunch of boxes. And also happy shopping. Link down below. Love you guys.